Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action moves fast. If you're not locked in, you might miss the most important money-making opportunities. Yesterday, we saw a scam Wick down to $100,386, which quickly recovered and consolidated around the yellow horizontal line at $103.4 thousand. I placed a conditional buy order at $100,400, expecting a retest of the Wick, and went to sleep. When I woke up, the price had climbed north of $101,000 and was steadily moving up. Once it broke above $103.4 thousand, I grew suspicious of the continuous upward movement without a breather. I placed conditional take-profit sell orders, 50% at $104.2 thousand and the remaining 50% at $104,000. Both got triggered during the day when the price dipped below the $103.4 thousand level to $102.9 thousand, only to bounce back and continue upward. In the Discord, I mentioned that the price could consolidate around $103.4 thousand before moving up again. Unfortunately, I wasn't quick enough to re-enter longs at this level. Just 3 hours later, the 1-hour candle peaked at $106.3 thousand, flirting with the next yellow horizontal line at $106.4 thousand. At the time of this recording, the price is being rejected around this level, possibly testing the 21 EMA, which currently sits at $104.8 thousand. If we drop below this level, we might see a bearish cross of the 21 EMA and the 50 EMA, which could push the price back to the support level at $103.4 thousand. But let's not jump to conclusions and see how it plays out. Looking at the 1-week liquidation heat map, the situation still appears risky. There's little to no short volume to the upside, which could either be a positive sign, indicating room for price growth, or a negative one, as downside liquidity could act as a magnet for the price. Most of the liquidity is concentrated at $99.4 thousand and stretches down to $95,000. The hottest liquidation level is $99.4 thousand, with around $330 million in long liquidation leverage sitting there. Meanwhile, Michael Saylor announced that MicroStrategy has acquired 11,000 Bitcoin for approximately $1.1 billion at an average price of $101,191 per Bitcoin. This brings their total holdings to 461,000 Bitcoin, acquired for roughly $29.3 billion at an average price of $63,610 per Bitcoin. The big players are accumulating. What are you doing? Join the Discord to stay updated with my real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. If you found value in this video, leave a like. It really helps. Subscribe and click the bell to stay informed. And see you in the next one.